So this is the second day of our cycling through the Netherlands, and we have just fallen in love with the country, especially for cyclists. It's just so well set up. We knew it was going to be good, but we didn't know it was going to be this good. The cycle paths are just everywhere, and they're all segregated away from the road. We'll probably remember these days as the good old days. The easy cycling, easy conditions, feeling fit. I'm sure things are going to change in the future, but look forward to that adventure. So this little place was an absolute treat. Found a really cute little Italian ice cream place. Very much needed. So this is basically how I edit these vlogs, which are hopefully going to be entertaining. Might not be, but I don't care. I enjoy doing it. It's really simple, really. It's just sort of cut and paste, drag and drop into files. Could be more simple, really. That's me, and there's Hazza. She's just cooking dinner.
Just writing the blog.
Hazza's writing the blog. I have taken over dinner duties several times already, just in case you're asking, people of the world. Tonight we're having, Hazza, you want to do the honours?
We've got some lovely meatballs and tomato sauce with courgettes and some like
hell yeah. Oh,
and a
bit of green beans and a vaguely cold beer. We've got a bit of music. It's just so chill. And this is the campsite tonight. So basically there's the lake just down there. You can see that? And there's some really nice people next door. And we just put our bikes there, put the washing up. It's all very functional. So cute. And today we're going to go a bit rogue. We are going to go without Google Maps. Oh my god. I think we're going to be okay. We just got to keep that river on the left hand side, and then we should head to Arnhem. And then we should get to the River Rhine by tomorrow. Lots of sheep. Morning sheep! We're on a boat. It's the second ferry we've had on our trip so far. It would have been the third, but the one in England didn't turn up. It doesn't exist. We're on our way to a place called, we have no idea. What's it called? Vijk dan Bindenstein or something. Okay, that's what I was trying to say. We're going to Vijk Beach Dursteed.
This is our first Eurovelo route sign. It's joining 15.
Rhine route. So this is Vijk van Dursteeg, and it's a very pretty old village in the Netherlands. And we're just going to go through something very unique and special. So according to the guidebook, this is the world's only drive-through windmill. 27 or so miles in now. And stop talking in miles. How many kilometers are we going? 40 kilometers in now. This is very typical of our cycle touring day. We'll stop off here, find some shade and have some lunch. Best thing ever though, after lunch I get to eat these mini stroopwafels. They are the literally tastiest thing in the world, but so Moorish. Near Arnhem, all the areas around here are pretty hilly. About to go down one there, and hopefully it takes us down to the river, and then we're there, down by the river, Arnhem, iced coffee time. Right in the middle of town, there's a swimming pool. Brilliant. Getting the shoes off already, you're straight in. What kind of city has a Lido in the city centre? Brilliant. So here in Arnhem, back in 1944, it was the biggest site of the Allied airborne invasion. This is all behind Germany. It's all German basically. They took it and then we took it back. I don't know. But now there's a lovely pool. Well, I'm trying to learn about history. Hazard's literally learning about history right now. So we just got to our campsite after like 80 kilometers. Really busy, and they said they were totally fully booked. Such is cycle touring. You win some, you lose some. So we just made it to this campsite, and the lovely lady at reception gave us this plot right by the river because they were pretty much full. Absolutely amazing. It's gonna be amazing waking up there. It's so hot there. It's like 36, 37, something like that. And they've also got a swimming pool. So we're gonna go to the swimming pool now. Can't even talk, so hot. Talk later. So today we're going to a city in Germany that begins with X. It's the only one in the country. It's called Xanten. Sounds quite Chinese. I don't know where it came from. I'll have to look it up. We've got loads and loads of water. We've got an extra 2 litres today. So we've got 2, 5, 6, 7. We've got about 8 litres of water and a bottle of Prosecco. But we're going to give our Prosecco to the lovely people here at the Camping Wallstrad because they've just been so amazing to us. So we are here and we're going to go down to Millingen, and that's where the border of Germany is. So very exciting to get to our second country. Alright, getting on the ferry. Morning. It's good, has a good hydration. So we just got to Deutschland.